Okay, after creating and 3D printing the three bodies that I created in the CAD video, let's quickly have a look at the outcome that I discovered. It's actually very interesting. This one here is the normal one, so there's nothing. The seam got created from the slicing software. It's very ugly in the inside, I have to say. Didn't really create a nice seam inside. The outside seems to be okay, but the variable of decide yourself shows the quality of it. Then number two is the one where we created the little gap at the back. We can see it is there. Okay, there's the little gap. The quality is actually quite okay. It's okay-ish, I have to say. It's not bad. I mean, I can feel the gap in there. It's definitely there. But looking at it, it's not for something that's going to stand at the back. I would say it's quite acceptable. And definitely a way the inside looks so much better than the first body. Definitely a way to go, I would say. And then the third one, of course, let's first have a look at the text on it. So yeah, that's the way to put text on it. There's a little extrusion that we did in the E, but that comes out normal like it normally does. There's a little hole that we made. Okay, for the speed that I printed, because it was quite fast. And there we can see the seam that it made. The slicer also went a little bit crazy here, didn't know where to place its seam on which line, but looking at it, that's what the seam looks like. And yeah, it's clear. I mean, I've got a flat surface, so it's a clean seam, although it is a little bit shifted, and the inside it's got a seam at the top and a seam at the bottom. Somehow the inside, it was the middle part, it was able not to bother about the seam. So yeah, those are the options, and that's again why I prefer this, because it's so easy changeable. And if the seam is going to be at the back, something like that, I think is acceptable on any 3D print that you do. So I hope this was helpful. And let me know if you have any questions.